Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the pTron Bassbuds Sports True Wireless Stereo Earphones. We are looking at the front side of the packaging where we can see what the earphones look like. And aside from that, you've got nothing else to talk about. On the left side as well as on the right side of the packaging, you have the logo, the model name, and the type of product. There's nothing on the bottom. Neither there's anything on the top, which brings us to the back side. Over here, we can see these specifications, which is kind of difficult to read. So we'll just peel off the plastic wrap. So we can see that the wireless range for the Bassbuds Sports is 10 meters. The drivers inside either earbuds happen to be 10 millimeters wide. The battery capacity in the earbuds is 50 milliamp hour, which gives you about an hour's worth of charge time. And the capacity in the charging case is 400 milliamp hours, which takes about 2 hours to charge. Then it uses a USB Type-C interface. Total playback with the case included is about 32 hours. The standby time is 80 hours. You can also find the manufacturer's contact information at the bottom. Aside from that, there's nothing else to talk about, so we'll just go ahead and unbox the device. On the inside, we can see a little note of thanks, and on the back of that is the little QR code which you can scan to get to the registration page to initiate your warranty registration process. Then there's a QR code. This one will get you your user guide. There's nothing on the back. Additional ear tips are usually in small and large size, with the medium ones pre-installed. It seems like we might have two sets of mediums on this one. Then there's the charging cable. We've already read that it uses a USB Type-C interface, which you can see in my left hand. And on the right hand side, you have a normal USB Type-A interface. Cable length is about 30 centimeters. Then you've got the charging case, which has the USB Type-C interface on the left-hand side. Nothing on the right, nothing on the back, bottom, or front. It's easy to open, and you've got a little charge indicator at the bottom. And slots for both earbuds. Once you place the earbuds in the charging case, you can see that they have LEDs on them which light up to show that they are being charged, and the status LED at the bottom also lights up to tell you how much charge the entire case has. So that's it for the unboxing of the pTron Bassbuds Sports True Wireless Earphones. Thank you for watching.